Hello travel lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the land of smiles, Thailand. Known for its stunning beaches, rich culture, and delicious cuisine, Thailand is a top destination for travelers from all around the world. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket. Join us as we discover the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Let's get started. 1. Bangkok. Our journey begins in the vibrant capital city of Bangkok. Start your adventure with a visit to the Grand Palace, the historic heart of Bangkok, and home to the Emerald Buddha. Don't miss Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, with its stunning riverside views. Explore the bustling floating markets like Damno and Sarawak, where you can sample delicious street food and shop for unique souvenirs. Bangkok's vibrant nightlife, rooftop bars, and street food scene make it an unforgettable destination. 2. Chiang Mai. Next up is Chiang Mai, a cultural gem in northern Thailand. This city is famous for its beautiful temples, including Wat Phra Singh and Wat Chedi Luang. Visit the bustling night markets for unique handicrafts and delicious local food. For an unforgettable experience, spend a day at an ethical elephant sanctuary where you can learn about and interact with these gentle giants. The lush mountains and serene atmosphere make Chiang Mai a perfect escape. 3. Phuket. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, is known for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife. Relax on the famous Patong Beach, or explore the quieter Kata and Karen beaches. Visit the Big Buddha for panoramic views of the island, and take a boat trip to the breathtaking Phang Nga Bay, home to the iconic James Bond Island. Phuket's lively night markets and bustling Bangla Road offer a taste of the island's energetic nightlife. 4. Krabi. Krabi, located on the Andaman coast, is a paradise for beach lovers and adventurers. Relax on the stunning Railay Beach, known for its dramatic limestone cliffs and crystal clear waters. Explore the lively town of Ao Nang and take a boat trip to the famous Phi Phi Islands, where you can snorkel, dive, and enjoy the vibrant nightlife. Don't miss the Emerald Pool and the Tiger Cave Temple for unique natural and cultural experiences. 5. Pattaya, a beach resort city on the Gulf of Thailand. Pattaya is known for its lively atmosphere and entertainment options. Relax on Pattaya Beach or visit the more tranquil Yom Tien Beach. Explore the vibrant nightlife on Walking Street, with its bars, clubs, and live music. Don't miss the Sanctuary of Truth, a stunning wooden temple that showcases traditional Thai craftsmanship. Pattaya also offers family-friendly attractions like water parks and theme parks. 6. Ayutthaya. Travel back in time with a visit to Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Thailand. Explore the Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its impressive ruins and temples like Wat Mahathat and Wat Phra Si San Phet. Take a boat trip along the Chao Phraya River to see the city from a different perspective. Ayutthaya's rich history and cultural heritage make it a must-visit for history buffs and culture enthusiasts. 7. Koh Samui. Koh Samui, located in the Gulf of Thailand, is a tropical paradise with something for everyone. Relax on the beautiful Chaweng and Lamai beaches, and explore the island's lush interior with its waterfalls and jungle treks. Visit the Big Buddha Temple for stunning views, and enjoy the vibrant night markets for delicious food and local crafts. Koh Samui's luxury resorts and wellness retreats make it a perfect destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. 8. Sukhothai. Sukhothai, the cradle of Thai civilization, is another UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into Thailand's rich history. Explore the Sukhothai Historical Park, with its well-preserved ruins, temples and statues, including the famous Wat Mahathat. Rent a bicycle to explore the park at your own pace, and don't miss the nearby See Sukhothai Historical Park. Sukhothai's historical significance and serene atmosphere make it a unique destination. 9. Kanchanaburi. Located in western Thailand, Kanchanaburi is known for its historical sites and natural beauty. Visit the famous bridge over the River Kwai and learn about its history at the nearby museums and war cemeteries. Explore the beautiful Erawan National Park, home to the stunning Erawan Falls. For a poignant experience, visit Hellfire Pass and the Death Railway and take a boat trip along the scenic River Kwai. 10. Pai. Last but not least, Pai, a small town in northern Thailand, is a haven for nature lovers and backpackers. Nestled in a lush valley, Pai offers stunning natural beauty, including Pai Canyon, hot springs, and waterfalls like Mo Pang and Pam Bok. Explore the vibrant night markets for delicious food and local crafts. Pai's relaxed atmosphere, stunning scenery, and vibrant art scene make it a perfect destination for a laid-back getaway. And that wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Koh Samui, Thailand offers an incredible array of experiences for every traveller. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travellers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!